Oh, whoops. Oh, what's up anyways, guys? Today, we're going to be doing the pistol only challenge. Kill me! Yay! Okay, so this is pistol only challenge. So, I gotta stay with my pistol. Oh my gosh, that was just lag. I don't know what happened there. It's probably kind of loud. Second. There we go, that's probably better. Okay. Now let's get this challenge started. Okay. Okay. Can you not hack? Can there please be no hackers? So I can have some, I can actually record. Bruh. Oh my gosh. It's not going well for me so far. Oh, I saw someone. I saw you. I believe they were this way. Okay. Absolutely nobody. It's probably kind of bad that it's on a free-for-all. Probably going to be a little harder. Oof. Oof. Well, died there. That was kind of, that was just sad. Oh, I got him. I got like quadruple party, but I got one of them. My skinny little pistol. Okay, we're just here, like everyone. Gotta get this guy. He's a free kill. Oh, assist, come on. Man, I'm just... Pistol is better once they already have some damage on them and you just don't want to reload, so you just get it. Pull out your quick little pistol. Man. Like, you can't start the battle with pistol. You have to already have some damage on him, then switch to your pistol, because it's really hard to get a full kill with your pistol. And defeat. Let's play one more round of the pistol only challenge. 125. 9 deaths. Yep. Pistol only for myself. Okay, turns out you can't type anything. Just get into the game. Oops. Wait, what? Oh. Wow. Yeah, I got him. Close call, we got a guy coming in here. Let's go around. Oh, I got some hits on him. It's just lagging there. Oh my gosh. gosh. Just can't get anyone. Let's see. Where are the people? Oof. Okay. Find someone that I cannot snipe, because that is illegal in this game. Hey! Oh, I was not prepared for that. Okay. Let's finish off this game and then I'll be up for the video after the game. Stay tuned, guys, on my channel for a pistol only challenge for shell shockers. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Headshot, close call, mid-air and kill. I was like 145, that's a weird number. Oh my gosh. The Kimbo Uzi, I call it the yeet class, because then when I spam it, I just scream yeet with my friends when we're playing together. But usually you just do that class when you have a really bad aim. Pistol is really hard because whenever I shoot a lot with pistol, it's kind of laggy. I don't know why. Okay, let's see. Okay, finally. Let's see. I was literally turning my mouse so much because we were spinning around. I was turning my mouse so much that it was like at a 180 degree, and I was holding it sideways and trying to shoot, and it's really hard. 5 KR in a pistol only. That's a good way to end this. Stay tuned on my channel for a shell shockers pistol only, and yeah, guys, subscribe for more, and goodbye.